Assalomu alaykum. Hurmatlik, aziz, kelishgan, qomatlik, muhtaram, istidodlik, kamolat yetgan xonimlar, apandilar, o'yinimizga kelgan muborak qadimlarga muborak bo'lsin. Aziz tomoshabinlarimiz, o'yinimizni ko'rishga oldirayotgan bo'lishi mumkin. Biz ham shu topda sizlarga nomerimizni taqdim qilmoqchi. Xalqimiz san'atini deb necha 10 yil chet ellarda o'qib soz pirlari qatoriga kirgan mashhur sozandlarimizning urilishida biroq muqomimi, mushavirak muqomimi ish qilib men bilmadim. Muqomdan oriyani diktorlar taqdim etsak, tuzg'in chavot. Marhamat. Barikallah karomat, ajab isil mahorat. Kelibetdinla ajoyib, qulunla bo'lsin salomat. Rahmat. Xalqimga rahmat.
Rahmat sizga.
Rahmat.
Mening ismim Ahmad.
Ahmad, sizga rahmat. Rahmat sizga.
Rahmat. Mushuk bizdan naqul yaxshi ekan.
Voy, o'ng bo'p qala. Rahmat sizga.
Voy, rahmat. Rahmat sizga. Kechiring. O telefon nomeringiz bor, yetmasa bo'p ketadi.
Kechiring, men telefon tutmayman.
Voy, kechiring. Aziz tomoshabin, bu sazpirlarimiz, ya'ni sizning ham tumanda o'ltirayotgan barliq aziz tomoshabinlarimizning huzuriga, ya'ni qanday kuylarni taqdim etsin.
Xalq ahonlardan yana birini chaptasin.
Xo'p bo'ladi. Sazandlarimiz xalqimiz yaxshi ko'radigan kuylarga chelib, o'lib ketsak rozi. Shundaqmi? Marhamat. Hurmatli aziz tomoshabinlar, endi huzuringizga xalq kuylari ham xalq naqshlarini taqdim etmoqchiman. Huzuringizda Muqam shahzodasi. Marhamat. Hurmatli aziz tomoshabinlar, san'atkorlarimiz sizlarga inson xalq diskosi taqdim etadi. Shalom. Marhamat.
He was big and strong, in his eyes a flaming glow. Most people look at him with terror and fear. The monster cheeks, he was such a lovely dear. He preached the Bible like a preacher, full of ecstasy and fire. He also was the kind of teacher women would desire. Rasputin, lover of the Russian queen. There was a cat that really was gone. Rasputin, Russia's greatest love machine. It was a shame how he carried on. Rasputin, lover of the Russian queen. They didn't quit, they wanted his head. Rasputin, Russia's greatest love machine. And so they shot him till he was dead.
Oh, those Russians.